Sorry again. Hi. Oh, nice, nice, very nice. Nice moves. Crazy. You are crazy. You are crazy. Very crazy. Very much crazy. No, not like that. Not too much crazy, I think. Your speed is very slow, I guess. Speed is very slow. Nice, nice. Okay. संस्कार नहीं भूलनी चाहिए ना. टी शर्ट सही करिए. नाइस नाइस. बाउंस तो है. बाउंस तो है जी. बाउंस तो है. हो गया भाई. स्किप कर दिया. इससे ज्यादा नहीं कर सकता.
Namaste.
नमस्ते जी. कैसे हो आप?
Okay, that's only I know.
ओके. नमस्ते. नाइस. हाउ आर यू?
Yeah, I'm fine. You?
आई एम ऑल्सो फाइन.
So you're from India? Which part?
आई एम फ्रॉम नॉर्थ साइड. नॉर्थ इंडियन.
What?
आई एम नॉर्थ इंडियन.
North India. Oh, no wonder. So what's your
Is
name?
everything okay? Like, what's on your like cheeks? Like, is everything okay with you? It's a makeup, I think.
It's a makeup.
Yeah, this is my blusher.
Ah, nice, nice. So, what's your name, by the way?
Yeah. My name is Lisa.
Lisa.
Yeah.
Nice, nice
L-
name, Lisa.
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 Lisa, not Lisa.
Sa.
Lisa.
Is it like Sa?
Yes. S. S,
Or
not
Za?
Zach.
S.
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 Like S.
So what you
So
doing?
Lisa, what
Are
do
you
you
still
do?
study? I'm currently not working, but I am freelance.
Kakeri? Okay.
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
So what do you do?
I am a software engineer.
Oh, I see.
And
So
you?
you? I am
He's a
freelance.
professional YouTuber.
Who?
He.
Oh, you are a
You know, like
YouTuber.
Instagram influencer.
Me?
He has more
Oh,
than 250K followers on Insta.
लाडली
can
यू
I
है
get
इन्फ्लुएंसर.
Can I get some
can I
higher?
get
What?
Yeah, wait.
लाडली
Do you want?
तू होगी ओमेगल की बदमाश.
I get
यू
your
है
Instagram?
इन्फ्लुएंसर.
Yeah, you can check.
Where? Okay, let's.
Ram Ram Bhai Ayush.
Oopsie, sorry.
और क्या क्या गिरेगा?
Hmm?
टक्कर मारते भाई ये खड़े हो गए.
झूठ क्यों बोल रहा है भाई?
The North India and a South India is a different. Oh, I see.
Cotton Act. Cotton Act.
Yeah.
क्या है? बॉडी तो है ही ना.
Yes, yes,
ठीक है,
yes.
कमर तो है कम से कम. लौंडी वाली कमर तो नहीं है.
Oh yes.
कल वो मैंने
कुलदीप भाई, जय श्री राम,
Study
जय श्री राम कुलदीप भाई.
ये
His girlfriend.
No, my content partner.
one of his girlfriends.
No,
One
content
of
So
the
this
partner.
many
is your
girlfriends.
No,
this is your
girlfriend.
girlfriend?
No girlfriend. Only content partner.
One in
content
many.
Partner. No, content partner.
Right. You want to add me or not? Is this your girlfriend?
No.
Paid partnership.
Paid partnership.
Yep.
Oh, I see. So what content do you do?
Like, isn't that visible on the?
Page. Insta page. You can check.
Ah, I see.
Yeah.
So my face gonna appear on your. Oh shit.
Oh shit. Oh my god. Yeah. You.
You can file a.
Harassment case.
ये बहन
He-
ये
he-
मैं बता रहा हूँ अगर
He is
तुम्हें
invading your privacy.
अगर तुम्हें 10 दिन तक ये कभी ना दिखे ना लगातार तो समझ जाना ये है नहीं क्या खटर पटर कर रहे हो कुछ गिर पड़ेगा मुंह पे मत देखो
गिर जाएगा।
कैसे पेपर रखें?
कुछ तो है भाई।
ये इधर का मत खोलना इधर
So
कार्टून
like ये क्या करती थी क्या बताया?
फ्रीलांसिंग कुछ फ्रीलांसर है कुछ
What do you do? Freelancing.
Freelance.
Freelancing in
Modeling.
like what?
Modeling.
Modeling.
Yeah.
So like how many followers do you have?
No, I'm not like famous. It's just for fun. I'm not do as my job, but it's just for fun. Currently, I'm not working, but I do freelance just for fun. You know.
So like how do you like pay your rent and all if you're not working
Huh?
like that?
Oh, I'm still with my family.
Like isn't that
Yeah.
like do you guys move out when you're 18 plus?
so how old
Like
are you
with
by
your
the way
family and all?
how old are you
Like independent woman
what
Guess.
You think how old?
age.
H. H. K. H.
Edge.
age
Edge.
What is the H?
19.
20 18
16.
16
25.
10.
25.
नहीं wait 23
24.
17
I'm 27. No, I'm
27.
27.
27 seriously
I am
एक
27.
see
Yeah, I am.
see actually he is 28
27.
27 27
Do you want to talk?
do you want to talk
Do you like him or not?
You 97, right?
1997 right
98.
98.
98 1998
Two.
97.
I am 1998. So I'm 27.
He's also 27. He's also 27.
Oh.
So like do you
So how